To get a Robinhood derivatives account, you need to start by downloading the Robinhood app or accessing the platform through their website. Once you have created an account, you will need to apply for options trading, which is the type of derivatives trading offered by Robinhood. First, navigate to the account settings section of the app or website and select the options trading application. You will then be asked to provide some basic information about your investment experience and goals. This information is used to determine your eligibility for options trading. Next, you will need to read and agree to the options trading agreement, which outlines the terms and conditions of trading options on the Robinhood platform. After agreeing to the terms, you will be asked to complete a brief questionnaire to help Robinhood assess your understanding of options trading. There are 3 levels of options trading approval on Robinhood, ranging from basic to advanced. The level of approval you receive will depend on your investment experience and the information you provide during the application process. If your application is approved, you will be able to start trading options on the Robinhood platform. It is essential to carefully review the risks and benefits of options trading before you begin, as it can be a complex and high-risk investment strategy. Before applying for a derivatives account on Robinhood, make sure you understand the basics of options trading and the associated risks. It is also crucial to have a solid understanding of the platform's fees and trading rules to ensure a smooth trading experience. By following these steps, you can easily get a Robinhood derivatives account and start trading options on the platform. Always prioritize education and risk management when engaging in any type of investment activity.